Hello everybody, welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be kind of changing up the flow, and I'm actually going to be doing tutorials on how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game now. So, to start off, you guys are going to want to boot up Unity Hub right here, okay? Unity Hub, I have the latest version, 3.4.2. Actually, there's a new update. I'll get that later, whatever. But you guys are going to want to select New Project. Make sure your editor version is on 2021 or up. Anything from 2021 and up. Make sure your game is selected on 3D Core. Make sure you name your project. So name whatever your game is going to be called. Mine is just going to be tutorial game, or I don't know, what should I call this? Join the Discord. Tell me what I should name this game, and I will name it whatever, like the top comment is, or whatever you guys DM me it should be. Okay, now you guys can close out of Unity, because you guys won't be needing that now. All you guys need is this Unity opener and this little sidebar thing. This is going to tell you how long it's going to take. This usually takes me about 2 minutes to load into my Unity project, so I will see you guys in like a second for your guys' time. Okay, here is the Unity project all booted up. I'm going to size this of how I want it. So I usually do about that big, and then this you definitely gotta size down to like right about there is the usual size that I do it at. Yeah, right about there. Okay, make sure you guys delete your main camera. Of course, delete your main camera. Okay, so now go up to Edit, Project Settings, go down to where it says XR Plugin Management. Click Install XR Plugin Management. Okay, now click Open XR. Wait for that to load. It should be really quickly. It shouldn't be that bad. You guys might just have to wait a second. Yep, this will pop up, and you guys, it should only take like 1 more second. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's been busy. Busy for 15 seconds. Alright, just press X on this. Really doesn't matter. And then it just has to do it the second time. Just give it a few seconds, and it'll be all good. Okay, here we go. Now click on Open XR, click on Multipass. Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, click on Multipass right there. So make it from the single pass to multipass. Then click the plus, click Valve Index Controller Profile, and then click Oculus Touch Controller Profile. So you should have both of those. Now click on the Android icon, click this to multipass, click the plus, and click Oculus Touch Controller Profile. And then you're gonna go back to here. You're gonna go to the Android and click on Oculus. Wait for this to load. Shouldn't take that long. Really should not take that long. Okay, yep. And now click on Oculus. Go to the monitor, click on multipass, then go to the Android, click on multipass, and make sure the low overhead mode is turned on. Okay, now you guys are going to X out of project settings, go up and navigate over to Window. Go down to Package Manager, click on the plus, click Add Package from Get URL, and then type in exactly what I type in. So com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. Should be that easy. Yep, just that. It'll be in the description. I'll just put that right there in the description so you guys can copy and paste it. Okay, now go to, it says adding new package. Just give it a few seconds and it'll load. Okay, now you guys should be greeted with this little loading bar. Shouldn't take that long. I waited about 20 seconds for this the last time. Yeah, it shouldn't be that much longer. 18, 19, 20... Like I said, about 20 seconds, might go a little bit over. Depends on your internet. Alright, there you go. So now click on Samples, the drop down of Samples, once you guys are on XR Interaction Toolkit. Then click on Starter Assets, click Import. Okay, now you guys are all done with this, so just press X, go back to your assets, and then double click on Samples, double click on XR Interaction, then just double click on this, and then double click on that. Now you guys are going to be sent into this little thing. Just double click on Presents, whatever it's called. Okay, now you guys are going to be greeted with all of these like studio changer things. It kind of looks like a studio mic changer. You guys are going to just one click on this, go up to where it says Add to Action Base thing, click it, and then click it, and click it, and click it. Just click Add to Action Base Controller and stuff like that. Just add all of these to the top right. Pretty simple. shouldn't take me this long. Just trying to speed this up. Okay, now that you guys are done with that, go to edit project settings, go to present manager, and then action-based controller where it says right controller, type in right, no capitals, no spaces, and then left for left controller. And now you guys should be all done. Hold on. Yeah, you guys should be all done with that. So press X and go back to your regular old assets. Okay, now that you guys have gotten all of that out of the way, that was all the boring stuff because you just had to get everything kind of set up and stuff. Now you guys are going to just get this one package from my Discord. So you guys are going to be met with my Discord. Go to Banana Scope. So you guys are going to see it all the way to right here. Just scroll down to where it says scripts for your own Gorilla Tag fan game. Scroll down to where it says basics. And then install the Gorilla Locomotion.unity package. Once you guys have installed that, just minimize that. Actually, I'm just going to drag it over onto my other monitor. Okay, good. Now you guys are going to go and right click on your project. So here, let me just explain something. This is project. So whenever I'm referring to something, I say project, hierarchy, inspector, or the scene. Or I say like file, edit, assets, game object, component, window, or help. You guys are going to have an Oculus thing and a Pro Builder thing once I am done with you guys, because I'm going to show you guys how to add all the stuff and make it on TabLab. Okay, so you guys are going to just right click, click import package, custom package, and then search up Gorilla. Hold on, you guys have to go up to where you guys downloaded it. So you're like your download folder. Gorilla Locomotion, open. Okay, sorry about that. So you guys are going to be met with this once you import your Unity package, where it says Gorilla Locomotion. Click all. I just click it a few times just to make sure, but just make sure everything is crossed off. You guys will be all good with that then. Okay, once you guys have it, click import. This should take really, really fast to import. Like, it won't take a single, like, second to import. It really shouldn't take that long. Okay, just press reload. You kind of have to reload this. Okay, now you guys are going to be met with this stupid little thing that gets added because it resets your entire, like, Unity project. So, just don't build a map. If you guys built a map, I don't know why you guys would even. But, yep, go to your main camera and delete that. Okay, now go and right-click 3D object, plane. Just drag it over here, kind of put it where your map should be. I usually put it a little bit below the lines. It doesn't really matter where you guys put it. I'll just put it like right here. It doesn't matter. The lines are kind of annoying. I don't like them, but they're whatever, really. Okay, whatever. That's all good. I'm gonna be deleting this map though because I'm just basically making a map to show you guys. Okay, go back to your assets. Go to where it says resources. Double click that. Gorilla preferences. Double click that, and then Gorilla rig. You did not want to double click that. Okay, now drag this thing right there. Bam, now you guys have your Gorilla Locomotion. Now you guys can literally play your game. Yeah, you guys can basically play your game now. But you guys are going to be like, oh man, it's just like a white platform and these stupid little spheres as your hands. Oh, so you guys want this. You guys want grass textures. Well, luckily for you, there's this thing called Google. Yeah. There's this thing called Google. But, once you guys find your, like, textures that you guys want, install them off of Google, or make them yourselves. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use one of my grass textures. Drag it on. Doesn't really matter how you do it. I'm just going to do import new asset, projects, and grass number 3. Yep, import. Okay, now right-click, create material, call this grass. Okay, now you're gonna make sure you are clicked on this and then drag it up to albedo. So drag this up to albedo, right there. Okay, now you guys have a grass texture, drag that thing on, just like that, right? Do this, if you guys have it a little bit pixelated, like I made mine right here, I just like to stretch it out a little bit like that, and then like, kind of like this, good. And then the offset, I usually do it so that it's like not that much off, so that isn't met. Okay, there we go. I like that because now it doesn't look like there's any like pixelated stuff in there or nothing. Okay, so now you guys are able to walk around on this boring little grass plane, right? Okay, so you guys want walls. I'm just gonna make a pretty simple map. I'll be literally right back with a really simple box map. Okay, I am back with the basic map making. Yeah, I added double walls and 4 walls with some textures. Looks pretty nice, right? Yeah, nice. Okay, so I believe this is one of the last things that I should tell you guys how to do this, is how to make a mirror. You guys are definitely gonna want to learn how to make this. So, yeah, we're gonna do a mirror right here, because that's where I feel most comfortable. Okay, I'm going to do this easy for you guys, so just give me 1 second. Okay, so pull up my Discord. It should, oh, it's in this thing. It's called templates for Blender. Just download this mirror.fbx. And if you guys want to stomp, you guys can download this, but just download the mirror.fbx first, because I made that myself. So yep, just have that and we'll be all good. Okay, now that you guys have the mirror.fbx, go and import it. So go import new asset. I believe I have it in my documents. Yep, mirror. Okay, right here. Just drag your mirror over here, just like this. Okay, now I'm just gonna rotate it because, you know, you don't want a plain mirror not rotated at all or anything. Okay, good. Now, just back this thing up a little bit, put it down into the ground, and move it over. Yeah, we'll do it right here. Okay, good. I like this so far. This is looking pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go to my textures and give this sweet baby a little bit of a wood texture. So now, make sure you guys have the main map mirror on there, or whatever you guys called it, and then make sure you guys have your first cube selected up here, and then drag this right onto here, and bam, there you go. Now that'll look a lot better. And then make sure your camera, or no, make sure your render texture has a thing of 2000 and 2000. That'll make your mirror a lot more high quality. So I don't know why this isn't like tracking it. Oh, it's because it's turned around. Hold on. Oh, I understand it. Okay, so 270, right? Okay, now let's see. Okay, good. Now this. And then 0. There we go. Finally figured it out after a while. Now I'm just gonna drag my double walls over to make sure it looks good. Okay, so just to make sure, just drag these over, and bam, there you go. So it's a high quality mirror, so I don't have to do a separate video on it, but that's like a high quality mirror. I mean, if you throw this in with my textures because it's texture. Now I'm going to make a new folder, call this models or something, like models or something, and I'm just gonna drag my mirror straight into there. Okay, now I'm gonna organize this a little bit. So I'm gonna just take all of this, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now I'm gonna create an empty parent, call this forest set up, like that, and bam, there you go. Now you guys have your hierarchy very nice and assembled. Now you guys can like name these all something, so like I'll name these all like wall, and then name these DW for double walls, and then main mirror, something like that. I don't know, up to you guys, but that's how I'm gonna put it. Pretty nice. That's for the forest setup. That is going to be wrapped up for our end of our video. Yeah, I know, it was an exciting video. We got this much done. Next video, I'm going to review over like Photon VR, because you guys need Photon VR to have a working like voice activity server, and also like, you know, servers so that you can actually play the game. This is going to be posted like a day from today, so right now it's 9:20, so it's probably going to be posted on 9:21 or 9:22. But that is the end of our video. Make sure you guys join the Discord, and make sure you guys get all those scripts from inside of there and follow along with all of these tutorials, because these are going to really help you. And I also teach you how to add a really good mod menu.